Are you a small business that's feeling overwhelmed and underpaid? Do you want to find more balance and fulfillment in your small business? Hi, I'm Aaron Montgomery, the author of the Fundamentals of Business Success book and the CEO of Our Success Group.
And I'm Becky Kutzer, coordinator of Fundamentals Live and a fellow business entrepreneur. We understand the challenges of finding clarity and purpose in your business journey.
I'm Kylene Montgomery, Success Principles Certified Instructor, founder of Rise, Shine, Smile Yoga, and the wellness coordinator of Our Success Group. We're here to share the good news about an upcoming small business retreat where you can come together as a community to facilitate falling in love with your business.
That's right. We're incredibly excited to announce the June 2024 Small Business Workshop and Retreat called Fundamentals Live. This event is based on the book, The Fundamentals of Business Success, and it's going to be your community designed to align your entrepreneurial spirit with meaningful success strategies.
Join us in O'Fallon, Missouri, just west of St. Louis, in discovering networking opportunities that go beyond mere connections. You're going to create relationships that inspire growth and collaboration.
And I'll guide you through the wellness practices that not only support your business success, but also enhance your well-being. Plus, there will be plenty of experiences and practices that will become part of your everyday success.
Are you ready to be one of the proactive small business owners who cultivates an uncommon mindset and maximizes their fulfillment?
Join us. We have an amazing plan to maximize your time and support while you fall deeper in love with your business. Day 1 focuses on discovering your business's why or your purpose, setting your transformative goals and experiences that will make you a goal-getter.
Day 2 is all about actionable business strategies, developing a plan for your ideal business, defining customer relationships, and setting your marketing groundwork. Plus, we'll equip you with a wealth of personal productivity techniques, and you don't want to miss the closing Future You Party, which will be a business-changing experience.
The Fundamentals Live experience is designed to spark inspiration and drive, ensuring you leave with a renewed passion for your business. With only 40 spots available, we're keeping this experience intimate so the action takers can achieve their goals. Make sure to reserve your spot now. With only 40 seats available, spots are already filling up. Don't miss out on your chance to transform yourself and your business June 7th and 8th in O'Fallon, Missouri.